The birds are taking over. There were thousands upon thousands of birds in these two trees. And when I say thousands, I mean thousands. This is like a horror story. I really am scared for my life right now. Look on the ground. They are everywhere. Get on out here. Get, get. This is like a horror story. If I end up dead, they are blackbirds. They're like miniature crows, about the size of dove, with fan-looking tails. And they're all black. Solid black. Hey, get on out of here. Get. I'm trying to scare them off, but they don't seem to be scared. This is freaky. Alright, I'm signing off. Looks like they ain't gonna disappear. I don't know what I'm gonna do. This is crazy. Alright, looks like they may be leaving. I think they are leaving.